Choose now A first.
Make colors.
You want A black?
Mix the colors.
You want to mix the colors?
Okay. Take your A and get something different color. This one, this one. There. Take some show now.
It doesn't look A.
No. This one. Yeah, okay, A, okay.
Ayaw pa rin.
Yeah,
Oh.
okay. There, E. There, we went red.
Ayaw,
There.
ayaw niya yung pinipili natin. Okay.
You don't want yellow A? So what about ano? What about the no? There, get an X with the black background. There. Oh. Now okay? All of them are black background. How? Sige. There. Then,
Okay now?
that. Now, that. Okay? Okay?
Ganon.
Let that down. Sige. Okay.
I'll give it to her. How much po kamo? Oh, sige. Ah, sige.
Why?
It's not yet cooked. Alex, wait lang, Lex. It's still hot. Natatakot ako. Medyo pa. Yay!